The man, when he ejaculates, you can oftentimes, like, he comes and then it's like, oh, I'm so tired, just lay with me for a little while. And literally he's losing his life force, he's losing his seed. And the way that we used to think about sex is for procreation, but the way that we now have sex oftentimes is for recreation. So why are we still having sex for procreation if we're not wanting to procreate? So the deeper you get into tantric work, we don't shame sperm, but it's not something that we necessarily celebrate as like, oh my God, yay, I made you come. Like, we just kind of take all the goals and put them off the table. It's really important when you're making love, whether to yourself or to another, that you become aware of the piece that we play in men feeling like they need to perform, or us feeling like we need to perform. Like, consciousness is what changes, shines light on the shadows. And if we have this story that we need to perform in sex, then who's playing out that story? And even a better question is, how are we playing that story for each other?